Managing expenses manually can be time consuming and error prone. Small businesses, freelancers, individuals often struggle to keep track of receipts, calculate spending, or detect unusual transactions. Expense Mind AI solves this problem by automating receipt tracking and providing a smart AI assistant to answer your spending queries in real time. Hello, my name is Aisha Javed, AI ML engineer, and today I'm giving you a 2-minute demo of Expense Mind AI web app. On the landing page, users can sign up or log in securely. Once authenticated, the dashboard displays the user's email, available credits, and navigation modules. Authentication is fully integrated with Supabase, ensuring secure access for each user. In the dashboard, users can upload their receipts via the intuitive drag and drop zone. Each receipt is securely stored in the Supabase bucket under the user's folder. Credits are automatically detected per upload. Uploaded receipts immediately appear in the database with the status processing. Behind the scenes, the N8N workflow picks up each receipt automatically and send it to our Python microservice hosted on Replit. The microservice extracts key details like vendor, total amount, date, and category. Once processed, the workflow updates the Supabase database and the dashboard reflects the completed status in real time. No page refresh needed. All expenses for the logged in users are displayed dynamically in the dashboard table, including receipt image, vendor, amount, date, and category. Expense Mind AI also includes a smart AI assistant. Users can ask questions like, how much did I spend at Starbucks? Or show my recent expenses. And the AI queries the database in real time to provide accurate, personalized responses. During the development, we encountered technical challenges, particularly with Supabase row level security for the storage bucket and the expenses table, as well as the API key configuration and headers in N8N workflow. Using Cursor and Claude, we quickly identified and fixed the errors. In summary, Expense Mind AI automates expense tracking, integrates secure cloud storage, orchestrates intelligent processing with a Python backend, and provides a real time interactive AI assistant. It's fully functional end to end SaaS product, polished, tested, and ready for deployment. Thank you.